Hello everyone, welcome to your first module, HTML and CSS. I would like to use this first video to introduce the module and also introduce myself, since you're going to be watching some videos of me the coming 3 weeks. So let's start off with that. I'm Arco. I've been teaching at Hack Your Future for about a year or so. This is my first course, or the first time I'm recording the teaching instead of doing it in person, sadly. I work as a developer at a company called Yip. This company makes museum installations. So some mostly modern museums, they sometimes have some installations with a touchscreen or with some sensors, and they make small games. We are then the company who makes these games. And often they are sort of interactive games where you also learn something, and it's often aimed at kids. So this is a lot of fun to make. Regarding programming, these installations are actually made with a game engine often, so it's not web development really, which you will be learning at Hack Your Future. But what we also make is a website where the people from the museum, they can edit the content of installations, or they can add some text or some images. And this content system, it's a website which I am working on with some other people. So in that regard, I am busy with web development. Then the HTML and CSS module. So this first module, it's going to be about HTML, CSS, and Git. And this is going to be 3 weeks. In the bottom of on the GitHub page about this module, on the bottom there's a planning, as you might have already seen. The first week we're going to talk a bit about command line. So what is the command line, how to use it, because it's something you're going to use a lot the coming time. So it's quite important to already know how to use this. Then it's also an introduction to HTML and CSS. And of course, HTML and CSS is the most fundamental thing of making a website, because that's in the end what you see when you load a web page. It's luckily not the most complicated thing, and quite easy to learn. So that's also why we started it. Then in the second week, we're going to talk about Git. I'm not going to try to explain now what Git is, but you will learn it in week 2. And we also spent some time to talk about responsive design, which means how to make a website look good on a laptop, but also on a computer with a big screen, but also make it look good on a tablet and a mobile phone, so that the website grows and shrinks according to the size of the device. And then the third week will be a bit more about Git, about CSS frameworks, how we can build websites easier, and something about the browser. That's the module. And then I just want to say I'm very excited to teach you this. I hope everything goes well, and I would already like to say, if you have any questions or if anything is not clear in my videos, make sure to post it in the comments on YouTube or on Slack, or ask it me personally on Slack. You can find me under my name, Arco, which you write with a C, like this. Yeah, and I hope you will learn a lot, and then I wish you a lot of good luck the coming time. And I will speak to you on Sunday, hopefully.